Hey, future Globetrotters, if you've ever felt the thrill of booking an international flight only to be met with the dread of long hours and cramped spaces, I've got some top-notch tips to turn your travel woes into wow moments. First off, let's talk gear. Comfort is king on long flights, so don't skimp on it. Slip into your coziest travel attire, think soft joggers and a breathable tee. And don't forget compression socks to keep that circulation in check. Now, onto the tech. Your phone's great, but for a stress-free flight, a noise-canceling headphone is a game-changer. Drown out those engine roars and chatter, maybe even catch a few Z's. And a portable power bank? Non-negotiable. You don't want to land with a dead battery. Hydration is your best travel buddy. Airplane air is drier than a desert, folks. Keep a water bottle handy and sip frequently. Your skin and body will thank you later. And speaking of snacks, bring some. Relying on airline food can be a risky move. Entertainment is crucial. Download your favorite shows, a couple of movies, or load up your Kindle. Time will fly by when you're lost in a good story. Lastly, timing is everything. Arrive early but not too early. 2 to 3 hours before your flight is just right. Gives you a buffer for security lines and some spare time to explore the airport shops. Alright, adventurers, with these secrets in your travel arsenal, you're all set for a stress-free journey across the skies. Safe travels and see you in the clouds.